Okay, hello, and we're back. This video is about why the modern classroom is what we're using in my class this year. And I'll explain some concepts behind it. Okay, so thank you for being here. So, the challenges of teaching. So, as a teacher, this is what I face every year when I try to teach the entire classroom. Okay, this is a picture of a confused person, right? So when I teach the entire classroom, it's called whole class teaching. We have some students that think it's very easy. They already know. It's just too easy. They're bored and they just, they zone out. Some students are lost. They're behind, right? As soon as I start saying whatever topic we're talking about, they are lost already because they didn't learn it the year before or they're coming from a different school, etc. And then there's students that have been absent or missed class, right? So when they come in, they are behind and they don't know what we covered in the last class. So as a teacher, these are the difficulties when I try to teach the entire class at the same time. So blended learning or the modern classroom solves those problems. What the modern classroom is, it's blended learning, meaning that half of the time you and me will be talking face to face in class. We will have discussions, activities. I'll have a little lecturing, not too much. And just pretty much we'll have group activities and face to face, but we will also have these videos, right? We will also have these videos and other videos that I'll provide. You'll do most of your work on your computers, and a lot of the work will be online as well. It's self-paced, meaning you can take your time. You can go at your own pace. I know some students are fast, some students are a little slower. So with the modern classroom, the self-paced learning allows you to go at your own speed. This is also helpful for athletes. I know some athletes, you miss a couple of days because you have tournaments, you travel. So in case you need to catch up or get ahead, this allows you to go at your own pace. Finally, mastery-based learning. You don't move to the next concept until you really learn this concept, right? And in some classes, you just move ahead because you have to move ahead. In this class, you only move ahead when you really learn the topic. So, benefits for students. So, what's really cool about the modern classroom is that it's flexible. Okay, you have more control, it's your schedule, different learning styles, right? It's visual, it's audio, you hear me, you can put the subtitles here, right? It's very flexible. You can listen to me on your computer, on your phone, at home, after practice, as you're waiting for your parents to pick you up. If you didn't understand it the first time, you can watch my video again and again, right? Flexible. Self-directed. So you are in charge of your own learning. The work is there. You just have to go through it. You have to watch the videos. You are in charge, right? If you don't do it, if you don't use your time wisely, then you'll fall behind. If you want to get ahead, you can get ahead, right? If you want to do a little bit at a time, you can do a little bit at a time, right? It's very easy. Accessibility. So that means not only will you have me one-on-one, you can ask me questions, right? You don't have to share me with the entire class all the time. You also have me one-on-one on the computer. In other words, if you need to re-watch a video, you can do that as many times, and I'm there to explain it in the video. You can also ask me in class when you have me, and more time will be spent talking to students and asking students if they need help than me lecturing in the front for a long time. Also, accessibility, right? You can watch my videos at home, right? If you get sick, if you can't make it to school, you can watch these videos, right? There's a lot of ways that you can still watch and stay on top of class. Skill development. So obviously after COVID, you see how important it is to learn technology. Technology is not going away. Now with AI coming up, Chat GPT, all these AI things, You need to learn how to use a computer. You need to learn how to access videos. You need to learn how to watch videos on your phone, on the laptop. This is real world stuff, and it's just part of learning about life. So in this video, you learned what the modern classroom is, right? The next video is going to teach you about how it works. So I will have a quiz on Schoology under Unit 0 in the folders about this video, okay? You can rewatch it, take it as many times as you need to. You need to pass it to unlock the next video and go to the next lesson, all right? So thank you so much.